Hello, welcome to the video. My name's ERBY Games, and I'm sure you're watching this video because your phone's touchscreen has stopped working. Now, this video is not for if your phone has gone black. If your screen has just shut off, but you can tell it's on, this is not the video for you. This is the video for if your phone screen comes on, but doesn't do anything to your touch. Nothing, it doesn't work. I can still scan my fingerprint, and the phone comes on, but even when it's on, it doesn't work. Touchscreen, no work. No work no more. Okay, so how do you get it to work? There's a few ways to do it. I have a Galaxy S8 Plus. That means my phone has a USB-C charging port. I have the little port that can be plugged in upside down and back and forth. You know, it's not a 50-50 chance like a USB port. I have the universal plug that plugs in both ways and has fast charging. So I will show you the way to use your phone with this port, and I'll also show you the way to use your phone with the old USB mini, or the USB no, it's not USB micro. USB mini USB. So again, if your phone screen is completely black, this will not work for you. If your screen comes on, but the touch sensitivity does not work, you cannot do anything with your phone, this is what you need to do, okay? This is not free unless you still have the box that your phone came in. Only for people with the USB-C port. If you have an older phone that has the USB mini, I do not think the phones came with the adapter you need. So if you have a phone with a USB-C port and you still have the box it came in, you are probably in luck. You're probably in some good luck. You got good luck, buddy. Okay? So what you need to do is you need to find the box your phone came in and find this little adapter. This thing comes with your phone. If you have this, you're in luck. That is exactly what you need. Okay? So if you have an older Android device with the USB mini charging port, you're going to need one of these strange looking little dudes. And I just had this thing laying around. I have a whole bunch of cables and shit just laying around, so I was lucky to have this. I don't know how accessible they are. I don't know if you can buy them everywhere. I'm certain you can find it on Amazon, but you may not be able to find it at your local Best Buy or electronics store. Anyways, for me, I did not have the adapter. I did not still have the box my phone came in. I did not have the adapter. I had to go buy a new one. This thing right here is what I bought. This thing works the exact same as the one that comes in the box with your phone from the factory. It might be a little better. I don't know. I paid like $10 for it. So again, if you have the phone that I have, you're going to want to do this. You're going to need to have a computer mouse. I believe it can be wireless or wired. I think you have a better chance if it's wired. Definitely have a much better chance if it's wired. Okay, so I've got this Logitech G205 or G502, whatever it is. Let's look at the bottom. Logitech G502. Gaming mouse. And now what you're going to want to do is take your little adapter and you want to plug your mouse into the adapter. And once you have that plugged in, you want to plug that into your phone. Nice. All right. And now if you've got an older phone, and it has the USB mini charging port, you're going to need, again, one of these adapters. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug your mouse into the end of it and then plug the other end into your charging port, just like so. Again, I don't have one of those phones, so I can't really demonstrate it and show it working, but it should work. There should be no problem. I can't say that it will work with every device, but newer devices, it should work. So this right here is very convenient for when, like, my phone has just pooped on me, right? I cannot use the touchscreen at all. I can't make phone calls. I can't turn my alarm off when it comes on. I just have to keep muting it until it goes away or plug my mouse into it and turn it off. The good thing about this is it lets me use my phone. I'm able to functionally use my phone until I get a new one, that's great. That's all I need right now. I just need to be able to do basic things on my phone at the moment. Before I go somewhere, if I need my GPS, I just put it in. I can take my mouse with me if I want, preferably not. I can't really use it on the go everywhere, but I can use my phone for the basics until I can get a new phone. The downside to it is, the worst part is, I've only got one mouse and I have to unplug it from my computer to use it on my phone. Kind of sucks. But I like to use my phone in my bed, and at night I can just use my little computer mouse on my phone while I'm laying in bed, that's kind of cool. But I've been doing it for like 2 or 3 days now, so I haven't looked anything up. I don't know all the tips and tricks, but I've kind of found out how to use the mouse as if it's your fingers. I still don't know how to zoom in and out and shit, but scroll, here, I'll show you some tips and tricks that I've found out if you're going to be doing this for a while. If you have to navigate your phone with this mouse for a while, here are some tips on things I've figured out since I started. All right, so a few tricks that I've found since having to do this is basically, a simple one is if you click and hold your left mouse button, it's the equivalent of holding your finger down on the screen. So if you want to swipe up, you click and hold and swipe up. If you want to enter your pattern, you click and you hold and you enter your whole pattern the way you would normally if you just pressed your finger on it. Something that's pretty convenient is you can move the screen by clicking and dragging, but you don't need to do that with a mouse. You have a scroll wheel. So just scrolling the wheel on the phone or on the mouse scrolls the phone, which is really cool. You know, as usual, you click on things like normal. If you want to pull down your drop menu at the top, you click at the top and drag down, and it comes out. All right, so say you're on, if you're on Google and you see, like, you look up some pictures of cat, you know, generic, but you see a cat you like. Generally, if you're using your phone, if you're using your finger, you would press your finger down on the screen and hold it until the secondary menu pops up, and then you click save, right? Well, with the mouse, what I found is clicking and holding does not work. Does not work on pictures. What you need to do is click and hold the left mouse button, and while you're holding it, press the right one down, and that will open this menu. And then you're able to download the image. Yeah, thank y'all very much for watching the video. I hope this helped you out. This just blew my mind when I found out that I could do this. I did have to go buy the adapter, and I actually bought the wrong part at first, so I spent a little extra money and had to go out of my way. But I went and bought the adapter, and I can use my phone now, and it blew my mind that I could use the mouse with my phone. Apparently, you can plug other USB devices up to your phone, so have fun plugging things up to your phone and finding out what they do. But yeah, if you liked the video, if this helped you out, if you're able to use your phone now, leave me a like, give me a comment, let me know that this helped you. Subscribe. I don't make videos like this all the time. This was a personal issue I had to solve. I learned something and I wanted to share it because it was so mind-blowing. But I make other stuff, all kinds of funny stuff, weird stuff. But subscribe, leave me a comment, leave me a like, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Also, just if you enjoyed me as a person, I have a Discord. We hit 5,000 subscribers recently, so I opened a Discord up and I shaved my head and everything for that. But the Discord is linked down below if you want to come hang out. Also, just something I need to get used to doing is here are my Patreons. I have 2 patrons right now. These are the boys who are helping keep this channel alive. They are supporting, and things are going smooth. Also, to my patrons, I know you're watching, Lucas, you too, noob. Hopefully, I'm not going to say that it is, but I'm saying hopefully. I hope the stickers are going to be coming soon. You're going to be getting a sticker for every month you're a patron. Right off the bat, you might get duplicates. I may not have enough to print multiple original stickers. You might get duplicates. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Thank y'all for watching the video. I'm gonna roll my rap song that I wrote as the outro. Here we go. Yeah. How was that shit? Would you like another one? Well, if you would, there's a couple of options. Any assortment of videos of mine should be on screen now, so isn't it obvious? Couple of clickable boxes, possibly showing an image of ostriches. Honestly, anything could be in my boxes. Click on the box, the most clickbaited title.